Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll answer your question if your Xiaomi 15T has slow motion. So the short answer is yes, your Xiaomi 15T phone has slow motion mode, and let me show you how to record such videos. Of course, you want to tap the camera icon on your phone and you want to swipe up like this to enter this menu, and now select slow motion. And additionally, in the top right corner of the screen, you can select different resolutions and also frame rate. Here you can see three options. Simply tap on one to select one option, and basically start recording by pressing this circle red button. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.